In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote a message on Slack in just 5 minutes. Slack is a powerful tool for communication and collaboration, and knowing how to quote messages can help clarify discussions and keep conversations organized. Let's dive right in and make quoting on Slack a breeze. To start, you'll need to open Slack, head over to the Slack website or open your Slack app on any device. Once you've got Slack open, you'll need to sign in. If you're not already logged in, click on the Sign In with Google option for a quick and seamless login process. Signing in with Google is secure and integrates smoothly with your work account, so it's a great option if your Slack workspace is connected to your organization's Google Suite. After you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Slack dashboard. This is your central hub where you can see all your channels and direct messages. Now, to quote a message, you need to first navigate to the channel or direct message where the conversation is happening. Look through your list of channels or direct message threads on the left sidebar and click on the one you're interested in. Whether you're quoting a message in a team channel or directly to a colleague, the process is the same. Once you've found the channel or direct message, browse through the conversation to locate the specific message you want to quote. Click on the message to select it. By doing this, you'll see additional options appear that are specifically related to that message. It's a handy feature that Slack provides to help manage and interact with specific messages within a chat. Now, with the message selected, look for the reply option. Click on it to open the thread view. The thread view is where you can see all the replies associated with a message in a neat and clear format, which is particularly helpful for organized discussions. Next, to quote the message directly, you need to insert a block quote. In the Slack reply field, type the greater than symbol followed by a space at the beginning of your reply. You'll notice that the text after this symbol appears in block quote format, making it a distinct and clear quote from the original message. Using the block quote formatting in Slack not only helps keep conversations clear and focused, but also shows directly which message you are referencing. This can be especially useful during fast-paced discussions or when summarizing past conversations for clarity. And that's it! You've successfully quoted a message on Slack. Practicing this a few times can make it second nature and allow you to maintain clarity and focus in your Slack communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your Slack experience.